again with another cooking video. It's been a while since my last one. I've been so busy with training, Zoom sessions, my life, work schedule, my own fitness routine, so it's a case of having to balance everything out. I thought it would be a good idea to create another cooking video to inspire you when you're at home, whether you're with your family, friends or partner. This dish in particular is suitable for vegetarian people, and we have a number of different ingredients such as aubergine. It's a purple vegetable which is also known as eggplant. So we'll chop those up, add 1 white onion, a tin of plum tomatoes, a tin of chickpeas, coconut milk and some seasonings. So let's go. I'll show you a step-by-step process about how to make chickpea and aubergine stew. This dish is absolutely fantastic. It's very flexible and you can have anything with it, such as rice, bread. You can even eat it on its own. It's totally up to you. It's a very versatile dish. Tastes great, healthy and easy to make. Anyway, let me stop waffling on. Let's get cooking. that's it. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe, like and comment if you want to see more videos like this. Take care of yourselves. It's time to eat. Bye.